If you're looking for a great desk that is a smart desk, so many things in our life are smart. Now, we need our desk to be smart. Now, this is the answer. Now, this great desk is an electric desk. It rolls, it's electrical, and it comes in over 15 different sizes. You can have it as small as 30 by 19 all the way up to 71 by 30. Now, this size right here is 32 by 19, and I love it because I have it as a portable desk to be movable in front of my desk that's against the wall. Now, I love that because I can also put it over my walking pad, over my Pilates machine, over a treadmill, and watch the flexibility it has. Now, I chose the white with this beautiful soft natural wood to go with my decor, but there's a decor for everyone. Now, it starts out at 28.3, and it will go all the way up to 46.5. And if you're really tall, 46.5 is enough to put over your treadmill or your walking pad. And we all know that it's good to stand sometimes during your workday and not be seated all the time. So you have the ultimate flexibility. Now, within this flexibility, there are 4 spaces you can save your favorite positions, like your seated position, your walking pad, your treadmill, or just your stretch and go position. I love this desk. It was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and let me give you some technical truths, and be sure to watch to the end for a graph that gives you all the benefits of this great desk. I love the fact that I can roll it around. I could use it for a TV, a playroom, extra TV. I can add multiple layers of work to it because it is so flexible. I can tilt it to my liking. It's just the best desk. Now, the smart electrical desk is a must-have for every smart home. I really recommend it, whether your space is tiny and you need something that you can move around, or whether you just really want the flexibility of a table that moves. I highly recommend this great desk. At 19 inches, you have enough space for a standard monitor, and it's also very slim in design, so any type of clamp lighting or clamping fans or any type of microphones can easily clamp on here all the way around. It is smooth and easy to clamp to. It also has rounded corners, which keeps you from getting snagged on it or bump into it. Now, most desks that rise up to 46 inches are very wobbly, but this is not. This has a lot of undergirding here. When you put this together, it'll take you about 15 minutes in a drill, but there is a lot of metal support under here. Now, it's all pieced together already. All you do is attach it. Now, with all the different size options, you can get 2 or 3 of these and piece them together to make the perfect L-shaped movable desk that you might need for the perfect smart office. With the ability to save your 4 favorite spots, once you pick your favorite spots, you never have to think about it again. You can just press 1, 2, 3, or 4, and it'll go to whatever level you have preset it on. And if you don't want to do that, you can just simply move it up and down each time. The flexibility is endless. The color choices are awesome. And this is a super must-have desk in a smart home.